Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to set up SMTP server in Gmail in 2023. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your web browser and then log into your Google account and then click on your profile picture and click on manage your Google account. Now tap on the security option. So here we are going to turn on this two-step verification. To do that, just click on it and then click on the get started. Okay, and then here just type out your password and then click on next. Okay, so just click on continue. Okay, and then type out here the phone number and then a code will be sent to that, and then just click on next and then type out here the code that has been sent to your phone number. Okay, so you will then just have to wait for the code, and if you have it, just type out in here and then click on next. Okay, that's right. And then click on turn on. So that way we can finally see that our two-step verification has been turned on. So just get back here to the security. Okay, and then here you will then just have to use the search bar at the top and then search for the app password. Okay, and then click on the app password. Then here just create the app name. Okay, so for example, I'm going to create Waha or SMTP. It will depend on you. Okay, so right after typing out here the name of the app, just click on create and then just copy the password of your app. Okay, so just put it in your notepad so you will not going to lose it. Okay, and then right after that you will have to open a new tab and then type out gmass.com. Okay, and then just click on enter and click on the SMTP test tool. Okay, so just click on it and then here just type out the SMTP server. So for example, like this, and your port. So my port is 465, or you can just try that as well. And then the security is SSL and the username, and of course the password, and from email address and to email address. So we're going to test it. So as you can see, it has been connected to smtps setup at gmail.com. And that's it. That's how you can set up SMTP server in Gmail in 2023. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.